Welcome to this tutorial on the importance of using Betterment transaction history. As an investor, it is essential to have a clear understanding of your financial transactions to make informed decisions about your investments. Betterment is a popular investment platform that provides users with a comprehensive transaction history, allowing them to track their investments and stay on top of their finances. First, let's define what transaction history is. Transaction history refers to the record of all the transactions that have taken place in your investment account, including deposits, withdrawals, and investment activity. This information is crucial in helping you understand how your investments are performing and identifying areas for improvement. Using Betterment transaction history provides several benefits. For one, it allows you to track your investment performance over time, giving you a clear picture of how your investments are doing. You can see which investments are performing well and which ones may need to be adjusted. Additionally, transaction history helps you identify any fees or charges associated with your investments, ensuring that you are not overspending on management fees or other expenses. Another key benefit of using Betterment transaction history is that it helps you stay organized and on top of your finances. By having a clear record of all your transactions, you can easily identify any discrepancies or errors in your account and take corrective action to resolve them. This can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure that your investments are working in your favor. To get the most out of Betterment transaction history, it is essential to regularly review your transaction records. This will help you stay up to date with your investment activity and identify any areas for improvement. You can also use this information to adjust your investment strategy, rebalancing your portfolio as needed to ensure that it remains aligned with your financial goals. In practical terms, using Betterment transaction history can help you make more informed investment decisions. For example, if you notice that a particular investment is consistently underperforming, you may want to consider selling it and reinvesting the funds in a more promising opportunity. On the other hand, if you see that a certain investment is doing well, you may want to consider investing more money in it to maximize your returns. In conclusion, using Betterment transaction history is an essential part of managing your investments effectively. By providing a clear and comprehensive record of all your transactions, it helps you track your investment performance, identify areas for improvement, and stay on top of your finances. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can get the most out of Betterment transaction history and make more informed investment decisions to achieve your financial goals.